Hey, it's Andrew from Zappos, and this is the fresh Foam Crag Trail from New Balance. This rugged and stylish trail running shoe from New Balance has a great blend of materials. Some of the materials featured are a synthetic suede that's very durable and soft to the touch. You've got a water-resistant fabric on the toe and an abrasion-resistant synthetic material located at the toe and heel area for added durability. A unique lace-up design provides a secure fit around the foot. The tongue is gusseted so no debris is going to get in there. A pull tab adds the tongue for an easier on and off, and the tongue and collar is one unit for a sock-like feel. Soft fabric lining feels great against the skin, while a removable cushion footbed is padded right where you need it to be for all-day comfort, with additional arch support and Ortholite technology is featured, making it antimicrobial so your foot will stay fresh. Fresh foam cushioning on the midsole is going to help absorb shock while staying lightweight. It's got a slight bit of flex on the shoe itself, and it's all on top of an outdoor tread rubber outsole to keep you stable. The next time you're out on the trails, make sure you stay comfortable and protected with this great shoe from New Balance.